Namaste everyone, welcome back to pavitechzone. Today we are exploring list view in Android. One of the simplest way to display list of items. List views are commonly used in apps to show list of data like contact list, messages or settings. In this video, I will show you how to set up list view, populate it with data and customize. So let's get started. First open the Android Studio and create a project. Go to activity main.xml. Here we will add the list view component. First we will change this constraint layout to linear layout and we will remove this text view. Here we will give linear layout orientation as vertical and padding as 16 dp. We will create the list view. Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content and we will assign one ID to it, list view. So as you can see, we have list view inside the linear layout. Let's move to the Java code. So inside main activity.java, we will create an array list of strings to use as data for our list view. So let's get started by adding the data. List view, list view, array list, string, variable we will give it as food list. Next we will initialize list view inside onCreate function. List view, find view by id, r.id.list view. Next we will create a list of food items. Food list, new, array list, food list dot add. First we will give it as pizza. So we will create multiple so that we can just add the food name. Next we will set up an array adapter to link the data with the list view. For that, array adapter, string, adapter, array adapter, android, dot r dot layout dot simple list item food list. Food list. Next, list view dot set adapter, adapter. So here I have created an array list called food list to store our list of items. Then I have used array adapter to bridge the data and list view. The adapter take 3 arguments. So I have set the adapter to list view using set adapter. So now we will just run the application to see the list view in action. So as you can see, each item in our array list is now displayed as a row in the list view. So it is simple. Next, let's add some interactivity. We will set up an on item click listener on the list view so that when an item is clicked, we will show a toast message displaying the selected item. For that, inside mainActivity.java, we will set an item click listener on the list view. List view dot set on item click listener parent view position and id. Next, we will get the selected item string selected item food list dot get position, and we will display it in toast message. You selected selected item. So here I have used the on item click listener on the list view. Inside we retrieve the clicked items on position in the list and display it in a toast message. Now we will run it again. So now whenever we tap on any of the item, we get a toast message showing the selected item. As you can see, when I click on ice cream, we will get this your selected ice cream. So that is for today's video. We have learned how to set up the list view and data with an array adapter and handle item clicks and even customize the list layout. List view is essential in Android development and I hope you enjoyed building it with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.